Hello, are you ready? We are going for complete alphabets today. Hope you have done the strokes well. How many strokes? Four strokes. The slanting, the M stroke, the curved C, and then L. Yes. Okay, now I'm going to tell you some instructions. How many alphabets? 26. Out of this 26 alphabet, they are beautifully arranged. Okay, we did nothing, it is already there. Okay, when we observe that arrangements, we got four different groups, right? Out of this, I can make it like this 26 alphabets, 13 alphabets naturally fall between line 2 and 3, that is between these two lines. How many letters? 13 letters in the middle. As it is middle, exactly you cut this in the middle, you will get 13. So remember 13 letters, right? Then the next four letters, okay? Next four letters, I will write here 13 letters. These 13 letters fall between second and third line, that is in the middle. Okay. Then another four letters which fall between 1, 2, 3, first three lines, and these letters have a loop. Remember the letter L. Letter L has a loop above, right? So we can call it upper loop letters, right? How many? Right. Upper loop letters, upper loop. This is letter in the middle line. I made it M. Okay. Then another 4, another 1. If you add all these, this is 13, this is 13. Okay. Then this is upper loop, 4 letters, right? That we are going to give you practice, right? The next 4 letters, we can call it as lower loop letters. Lower loop. The loops are in the between. Now we are going to see lower loop letters. Between 2, 3, 4. This is 1, 2, 3. But this is 2, 3, 4. But it has a loop below. You want, I will write. This is your familiar letter. You might have practiced many times. Upper loop. Okay. What is a lower loop letter? Tell me one lower loop letter. Huh? I'll take G. See, lower loop. And this is touching 2, 3, 4, but this is touching 1, 2, 3. So there are 4 letters which we will be practicing. Now, there is another 4. That is loop less letters. Letters without loops. No loops. Okay. There are 4 letters. I'll write one letter free. Okay. Say for example, see, this doesn't have a loop above or below. This type, there are 4 letters. And there is one letter which is touching all 4 lines. Okay, there is only one letter. That is letter F. Okay. That is letter F. I'll write here. Just watch. Like L, but you have to come to the fourth line, make a bigger loop. This is only one letter. Now, how many letters? 13 letters fall in the middle, 4 letters with upper loops. This is upper loop. 4 letters with lower loops, 4 letters without loops, and 1 letter with upper and lower loop touching all the 4 lines. This is how the alphabets are naturally arranged. So we are going to take this for our practice. We are not going to practice A to Z continuously in order. Okay. First we will complete like this. Then we will go with the order. Okay. Now I will call Mrs. Jayanti, and she will be writing today the middle letters. Maybe if you are coming along with her, she may complete. Let's see. Okay. I will call her. Come.
Hi everyone. Today we will see the 13 letters. Inner 2-line letters. Shall we start? First one. Okay.
Sorry children, she is the one who has written the book by her hand. Okay, the letter which you are seeing, all her own letters, right? That is what printed in the book. Okay, right.
Then E. Hi. M. N. O. R. S. U. V. W. X. 3 plus 4, 7 plus 6, 13 letters. Now, can you observe some letters will start in some places. Some letters will end in different places. Sir will explain the starting point and ending point of the letters. Thank you, children.
Okay, these are the middle line 13 letters which you practice. Okay, but while practicing, you have observed her writing. I will give you some instructions. Say, for example, certain letters I will tell you. Say this letter A, if you see, this should be fall in between 2 slanting lines. In all, you will find the slanting lines. And M, N we have already practiced, and I should be like this. Yes, you see, normally we are not using. See, coming like this, middle, make a stroke. This is yes. Okay, and R, normally children need some support for R. I will just do it here. Okay, go from here, make, do lines. Okay, and every time you do a letter, have a practice of checking this slanting. See, shall I check the slanting? See, any letter, you tell me any letter, I will check. This slanting is very, very important that you have to check and practice. Okay, and letter X, you may need a support, I will tell you. This is a practice which we have done. You go back, touch here, there is a small gap. then come back, make a, this is X. One more time. When I go and touch, there should be a gap here, then come in here, this is X. I think we have given some instruction, the letters which normally children find it difficult, which I gave you, right? You practice this and the remaining all 30 tomorrow. So it will be over. Again, the same type of practice you do it, then we will see. Okay, bye.